Hey guys, it's Vince. Today I'm really excited to discuss a product that we've been working on for quite some time, and the technology's been out there for a while, but we've had a lot of requests for these, and that is Waterslide custom decals. Now, Waterslides are more unique in the sense that, of course, they give you that painted on effect. I mean, you really can't even feel this on the prop. You can see the color spectrum here is pretty much insane. She's shooting this in 4K, so you can really see the detail that we've worked hard to achieve with this. And again, these are printed on an Epson P7000 printer, so you can see here the clarity is just ridiculous. That being said, many of you are familiar with how to use water slides from model kits, and these have been around forever. But what I tried to do is make these really unique in that these are already pre-cut. So what that means is, you can see here where I'm just folding down to show you that it's not all the way cut through, but it's symmetrically cut so that you don't have to sit there for an hour trying to cut this out. All you got to do is you're going to cut a relief line so that your border, so to speak, once you release it in the water, will release, and that'll allow you to have a perfect edge around your graphic. Now, we offer this substrate now in two materials. We have it in clear, and of course we have it in white. This is clear, and you can see how the clear comes out. It's really ridiculous. I mean, this, and again, the clarity, I'm hoping the 4K really does this justice, because the clarity on these is just amazing. Can easily be clear coated over if you wanted to go automotive clear coat. But essentially, you can use these on virtually any surface. That's what makes Waterslide wonderful. So you can see I've done my relief cut here. You can see how these are already pre-die cut. To apply them or work with them, all you're going to do is drop them in the water. Now, of course, this is nothing special here. I know there's a lot of different additives out there you can add to work with Waterslide, but I want to keep things as simple as possible. These are sealed with our UV sealant clear coat, and it's not an off-the-shelf clear coat that you'd buy at Walmart. It's our ClearJet. Now, ClearJet has been in the industry forever. It's designed by Marabu, and it is UV stabilized, so you're going to get the longest lasting colors you can possibly get in any type of condition, whether it be sun, whether it be even exposed to the elements. I mean, that's exactly what it was designed for. But ultimately, what we wanted to do is offer the best quality water slides you can get. And you can see right here, she's released. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to apply in comparison to you having to cut out the typical water slide. You can see the border is coming up right now, and I'm just trying to grab it. And there it goes. And there's your border. That's all the work that typically you would have to do to cut this. Now you'll come over here, and again, it just applies like a standard water slide. Just going to come over, place her wherever you want, and you're done. Get your alignment just right. Again, you don't have to handle this too much. If you get any wrinkles or anything, you can smooth it out. Very, very simple to do. Just moving her down a little bit. I like to wet the surface just a little bit as well. And if you breathe on them, because you guys are very familiar with water slides, they're going to move everywhere. If you take your time though, you'll be impressed with the finish you guys will come up with. And there you go. So you can see the clarity, and of course these are still wet, but the clarity of the graphic itself is pretty amazing. I mean, that's ultimately what we're looking at here, is just what you can achieve yourself. And again, in no time. I mean, the beauty of water slides that many of you already know is that you can do this anywhere on any substrate. So again, that's a very, very, very powerful thing. And we wanted to make sure that we made things as simple as possible, where again, you didn't need special additives. Again, I know guys that are doing model kits already realize there's additives that you can use to make them more pliable, so to speak, softer. But this material with the ClearJet on it, being it's designed for graphics use, you're gonna get a really, really smooth finish. And again, super durable. And again, with the contour cut edge, you can see what you get here as far as symmetry. No more sitting there for hours trying to cut out however many you need to cut out. Doing it that way, you're ready to apply in minutes. There's your effect. So thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I really do appreciate it. All your support to everyone out there, I want to say thank you because you guys have been wonderful. I hope you've liked the video, and if you do, of course, like and subscribe. Thank you all. Take care.